fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. My lovely fans, I beg make una carry una joko carry chair, make una call use una 2 year to hear wetin dey happen from Juju Ekwesu table. Hey, this one no be waka listing, this one na sit down listing. No. Things are happening behind closed door where we thought we seen it all. Juju Ekwesu don use hand hit her chest. She said nobody can collect you from her. He said nobody. He said as long as Yoyo was able to leave May Edochie. He said there is no other person that can collect him. He said because Yoyo don't they date women even when he was with May Edochie. No woman was able to collect Yoyo from May Edochie. She said now she Juju Ekwesu na collect her. And she know what she do to collect her. He said no woman feel run her the way she dey run her. Hey, Ogini Kwanu, if you not listening to this video, you don't know what you miss. Make una come here, oh, Chineke me. Sodom and Gomorrah, they learn walk for where Juju Ekwesu dey. Sodom and Gomorrah, they don't carry title give Juju Ekwesu. Juju Ekwesu say nobody can collect you from her. He said, Lizzie Gold, you are wasting your time. He said, not be by only Juju. She said, if Lizzie Gold thinks say na Juju, he said Lizzie Gold go use all her money where she take out movie. Finish, they do Juju. Yet, yo go still come back to her. He said, yo be like peace. When no they leave your own, if you go, you go return back. Hey! Oh, Guinea Kwadu, my people, my ear don't fool. Juju Ekwesu say, yo not dear it. Yo cannot do without her. He said when she and you nobody. He said she was the only one where you fit tell a fantasy. He said you tell and say he gets something where he loves so much to do. But be that is a popular actor. He no won't go talk and come out, make the tea come outside. Now Juju Ekwesu say she tell you say she hit her chest. Tell you say you tell me. Now she and her friend Juliet, wey mouth no dey close, a proco manager of the Nollywood industry. Now they discuss so. Now Juliet don carry go tell person come tell us. So Juju Ekwesu come dey tell Juliet say, because they say Juliet tell Juju Ekwesu say, wetin dey happen between you and Lizzie Gold is not a joke. Juliet tell Juju Ekwesu say, at this point, just remove your mind from you. Because the way they concentrate on Lizzie Gold, these two people don't go far. And there Juju Ekwesu say a lie. Say nothing they happen. He know waiting to take get to you. Not be only Juju. Now Juliet say, say yes. He say you talk about his fantasy. We never ever discuss with any woman. He say you say like knocking two girls. She say now you go tell and say, but he is afraid. He no wants waiting he will go knock person out or bring his secrets come out on social media. Juju Ekwesu say he go carry his sister. He say he go carry his sister, give you. She and her sister they knock you at the same time. Hey! Sodom and Gomorrah they learn walk. He say she and her sister they knock you. He said when they knock you finish, he say you head burst. He said the man head begin the hurt. He said now there they start am. She said now she be the person will bring out the fantasy in you. He said now so here you they start to you go bring girls, you gonna bring different girls, you go bring girls come, they go they do Nakademus together. What did they call them? 3 kidney some, 4 kidney some, You don't understand. That's what they do. So they started it with women. You will be knocking the women, knocking Juju Ekwesu. Now know as they do their thing for them now. So when they don't do that one, Juju Ekwesu say from there, they can't enter men. He said they can't enter men to the knock men. You can say they bring men come. Don't call the knock. Don't call the knock. He said, can Lizzie Gold do that? Can Lizzie Gold do that fantasy to please you? Hey, my lovely fans. No be only Juju. Now they say they snatch men. No be only Juju. e get some other thing wey dem dey put join am o. Na the thing una dey hear so. If you think say na only juju according to Judy Iscariot, you're wasting your time. You will spend all your money. You need to add the fantasy of the man. We don't dare the world now wey be say if you want to marry the man, just so free ask her in fantasy o. Not be when you don enter marriage you come dey see cookism. They ask them, because from Juju Ekwesu mouth now we dey hear say she say men get fantasy. But why did she not ask Mr. Obasi the fantasy? Maybe Mr. Obasi for tell her now. When she just wrong, go they give you the fantasy. Make una dey ask before na marry o. They say na fantasy. Now they say they snatch married men. What they cannot do with their wife. They cannot tell their wife to give them bakia to knack. They will go and meet Judy Iscariot. He will give them. They cannot tell their wife that they want 3 kidney some, 4 kidney some. They will go and meet Judy Iscariot. He go give them. So all these things, ask the man if na wetin they like. If na wetin you go fit do before you enter marriage, they can't turn you to cookism. Just know. Because this fantasy is becoming too much. Juju Ekwesu say now it says snatch yo. Say no be only Juju. He said Lizzie Gold never dare to reach there. She can't do it. She said wetin she don't do with yo. He said Lizzie Gold no go fit do one. Hey! So my people, according to Juju Ekwesu, he said from women they call enter men. Different men they come, they knack am. You see, you go dey there, they knack am. That is how close they are. Like this thing she's saying it with confidence. Like something normal between them. There is no sin on anything in it. This is just a normal thing. Now me way they talk and so now me be the sinner. Because to her, it's a normal life. They are wise. They are opening eyes. They, now we be the local champion. Hey! Sodom and Gomorrah. Juju Ekwesu say na so men they come they knack am. She said the children where she born. He said even you not dear. Go tell her say Juju Ekwesu I want to drag you for DNA test. He say how? He say all these things where they do now without protection. They just they pour on they come inside, they pour on they come outside. Now inside the Nakademus with different 3 skinny son and 4 skinny son. Now she take they carry her pregnancy. So those children, she can't even say they're 100% you. But you no get choice. Now a fantasy. He say you enjoy it more when she's even pregnant. She did Nakademus men. Now I make they always they say I want a baby, I want a new baby. There is always a secret behind everything they post on social media. Hey, my lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Every day they told us say wonder shall never end. You see this one? Now this one be the wonder shall never end. Hey, Chineke. Juju Ekwesu say you no fit ask. I say those men they come. He said those men they pour the milk inside her. They pour the milk inside her. He said those children they are not 100% you, and he knows and he enjoys it. He said, can Lizzie Gold ever? Lizzie Gold, can you do this? These are your fantasy. He said, even if you to run, the day we not see you give, I go still run come meet her. He said, go still come meet her. He said, can never be jealous. He said, the reason why Lizzie Gold don't dey pain her because Lizzie Gold no want to do knack and go. Lizzie Gold just want to destroy that relationship. Not that Lizzie Gold want to keep you. Because Lizzie Gold is not interested in you as a serious relationship. He said she knows say that they do Nakademus. He said, but Lizzie Gold want to spoil her own. See, now be the anger we get for Lizzie Gold. He said, if na knacking, that one a small thing. He said, you the knack women go they send them video. He said, you go tell her say around 10, I won't knack one woman for 10. Just on your phone. The girl no go know I go the video and maybe they look. He said, those are his fantasy. He said, those are his fantasy. He said, Lizzie Gold, can you ever? Lizzie Gold, can you? Hey! Now, wow! Married women, see the way they say they snatch on her husband, though. Una dey think say na only native doctor no dey work again. E no dey work again because our gods are angry. They no dey answer there again. Now the one wey they use now, front, back, mouth, everywhere. Now they use now. They'll come add fantasy and caucasy join now. E don finish oh. Hey, wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Juju Ekwensu say all these things now you dey practice. They practice am. He say a man that slept with 2 sisters, he get option. He say if you misbehave, if he tell you say Augusta dey come, I say you go run come. Because that thing dey hungry am to just dey knack she and her sister. Now Juliet say, just to get the man. Juju Ekwensu tell Juliet say, if you really need a man, you can go to any lengths. You can do anything. Juju Ekwensu say she started the relationship with competition. She knows she was in competition. Because the way you was talking about me, Edochie, too much. Now he make her prepare come. He don't say you they date other girls. No one way they feel live. No one way be see they feel pin at them. She said now only she. Now he pin you down. Now only she you bring come out publicly to announce as a girlfriend. She said she know the price she paid. She know the sacrifice she sacrificed on you. He said, Lizzie God, you feel sit down. You go to knock another woman. You go to wash her till they knock the woman for video. For fee, you go to wash her for phone. I till they knock the woman. Can you? He said that is their fantasy. And that is the secret that keep them together. Hey! Make una see person wey Mr. Obasi say go marry for village. I want to marry a village girl. Township girl too tear. See village girl. Juju Ekwensu na village girl. More the village girl. Wey Mr. Obasi won't help in life. See Mr. Obasi leftover. Even Mr. Obasi go shocked to know say Juju Ekwensu know all these things. Even the sister. Remember say Mr. Obasi to say if you carry one, you carry all. And if you don't knock all of them, you become their enemy. It was so easy for her to bring her sister and give to you. You enter them. You run 2 of them. And God save me, Edochie. That infection where they carry, you see where they carry them. Juju Ekwensu say they do everything without protection because they are sure of their health. And maybe they do HIV test, they don't get. But what about other sickness more dangerous? Just like HIV. They are also there. Like, are you serious? No protection. Una jode in academos. We can see the handwork in you scratching Ebola. We can see the handwork in you scratching your bekus every time your hand they scratch. Your hand they scratch. So now wait till una learn beyond this one. Hey, wonder shall never end. My own be say Juju Ekwensu. After all this fantasy and everything, what did you gain? It's a question. What is your gain? Because the last time we check, you not buy your mansion. You not buy your house, not build house for you. Your papa and mama still dey wretched house of village. Your sister is in village, do as a wine. If to say better money, then your sister not go dey do as a wine for village. Now hunger, poverty, na I put am for there. She wouldn't be doing as a wine. I won't forget class. But now the local ones now should be. So all these things when you open, give you, what did you gain? What did you gain? You see the reason sometimes when a married woman walk out of her marriage, don't question her. Don't ask her why. Because I see many people, why? Don't ask her why. Women are that people that will want to keep their marriage, that will want to make their marriage work, that will sacrifice everything for the marriage. Before woman can tell you say no do again, no say don't foolish ahead. They don't want to go. They want to keep their marriage. They want to make it work. But before they will walk away, it done too much. Imagine say me Edochie hear all these things. Definitely, she must hear somehow. Imagine say me Edochie hear all these things. And you want such a woman to stay inside this infection relationship. This one is infection, no protection. Fantasy. A man you married for more than 20 years, you come dey hear say na e fantasy na to dey knack to e fantasy na to dey do 3 kini son abi 4 kini son here. Will you remain there? This is Juju Ekwesu. This is what Juju Ekwesu is doing. And she said nobody can collect you from her. Oh, madam, keep am. Keep am. Don't let her escape. Oh. Keep am. Wait till they won't use this one to do. Hi, Chineke. Wait till they won't use and do. Regina Daniel wey enter. You know, say this fantasy of a thing. When they enter, body they shock them, they sweet them. It get where go reach, go come tire them. See Regina Daniel, not be me talking, my mama talking. When they say that they use Regina Daniel, they do fantasy. The girl got to a point. She now saw herself like a slave. She see herself like a slave. Just to satisfy one man. Not be say satisfy herself. Now the man, now she dey satisfy. She say she tired, she not do again. That was Regina Daniel. Juju Ekwesu wey dey now wey dey make math. You know say the thing not dey work like that again. Because all these men wey get fantasy, they like every day now they produce new ones. New ones we don't enter a brain now way they do with lazy good. Maybe Juju Ekwesu no know. She go think say na that old style of knocking 2 women together. No, maybe you have upgraded. I've upgraded with another fantasy with lazy good. Now I make a lazy good no gree come off for your eye. Meanwhile, you dey there, they think say nobody can collect him. If they won't collect and they'll still collect him. If your fantasy is so much him, if your fantasy they work the way you they talk, if you not go carry Lizzy Gold not let her live now. That means there is another kind of fantasy where Lizzy Gold they give her, where you self not they give her. Hey, my lovely fans, all these married men where women live, there is 2 things. Any marriage, divorce man will be saying that the woman leave her. Think twice before you carry such men. Think twice. Women know they live better thing. Women know they walk away from better thing. Think twice before you enter. Hey! Fantasy and cocastic people. I raise bomb for now. So this is how they collect married men. It's not only by charms. There is also fantasy and cookism that is working in it. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.